for tuning in. If you are new, hello. If you've been here, hey boo. I just wanted to come and give y'all something real quick. I wanted to do this with y'all because first of all, I've never done this before, but second of all, because I'm excited, okay? I'm giving y'all real looks today. No makeup, no none of that, because I am fresh off of work, okay? Fresh off of work, just left the nail shop. It's real today. So this is gonna be a quick little video, unboxing video. I just got some hair in the mail. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. I am like really going 90s today. For y'all who don't know, that's Blue's Clues, okay? Giving y'all some Blue's Clues life. So I am about to open this with y'all today because I'm excited and I am ready to make this unit. So, yes, we gonna start opening this. So this hair is from Beauty Forever hair on AliExpress, y'all. We gonna see what they talking about. If I could open this, dang, I ain't trying to mess up my nails. I just got them done. All right, we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. All right. So, as you can see, this is the bag that they package it in. And then it comes in a cute little box. Comes in a box that says Beauty Forever on it. And it talks about the hair care on the back. So, little simple stuff like shampoo and don't use a blow dryer too much. And let hair dry, use flexi rods to curl. And certain stuff that you should use on the hair and stuff. So, they also have their information and stuff right here where to follow them at and stuff like that. So, we're going to go ahead and pop this baby open. It comes with a pair of free lashes. I don't know how I feel about them. I got me some lashes in already, okay? These look a little thin. But that ain't what we're here for. We are here to talk about these bundles, okay? So, I did get a closure because, y'all, I honestly just do not know how y'all wear them frontals. They are so high maintenance. Like, I gotta get up for work at 5 o'clock in the morning. I gotta be there by 6. I don't have time for frontal maintenance that early in the morning, okay? I'm always late anyway. So, and plus, I don't like to sleep in my hair. So, I feel like that's just too much as well. So, I like to take my stuff off every night and let this scalp breathe, honey, because I just don't have the time. But here is the frontal. Here's the frontal, y'all. And ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? It's so nice. This is the Malaysian curly from Beauty Forever. This is, I think I got 20. What did I get? I got 20, 22, and this is the 18-inch closure. So as you can see, this is true to length because this is 18 inches in my hair right now. And if this was to be straight, yeah. So, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Let's fix that. Okay, so far this is nice. The curl isn't too tight. Let's run our fingers through. I did get a lot of shedding just now, though. Not a lot, but it's expected for curly hair to shed. That is a fact. It's just how much is it going to shed is the real question. So, this isn't a real tight curl, so I like that about it. It's cute. It's real cute or whatever. This is a free part closure, so I will have to go in and part. I will bleach these knots and tint the lace. So I will, you know, after I'm done with all of this, I will show you guys me, you know, once it's done, I'll come back and give a hair review over this after I wear it for a little bit, so I can give y'all the exact details. So as you can see, it is packaged in this bag. And then this is the 22-inch bundle. Let's see what this one's talking about. I am really struggling today, y'all. Y'all gotta forgive me. Your girl is tired, and I gotta clean up this house because it is a mess. Okay, here is the 22-inch bundle. This, I don't know about this one. But once I wash it, condition it, and comb it out, the curls will not look like this, because I will tell you that I already have this hair, but I got it in shorter length. So when I come and I do my review for you guys, I'm going to review those at the same time. You see, as I'm pulling my fingers through it, it's already changing the texture. So it won't look like this. But so far, I do like it. It is cute, and it looks like it's true to length as well on this one. The ends are not extra dry, as you can see. They look good. They don't look as bad as curly hair usually looks, but they're not extremely dry. The bundle size looks nice. It looks pretty full. You know, the longer the length is, the smaller your bundle is. This looks like a pretty decent size. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Let's see. And then this is, I won't open both of these because they're both a 20-inch. So I'll just show you guys the 20-inch so you can see the thickness in this one. I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I haven't had any long curly hair in a long time. It's been a while. So this is going to be, it's really too hot. It's summertime and I really don't want long hair. But another thing about this hair is it is very lightweight. This hair is extremely lightweight. So it's like the only problem is that it will be all down your neck. But other than that, it won't too much be in the way. This hair is as you can see, the difference in the bundle size. This being a shorter length, this being the longer length. Not that much of a difference, but it is a difference. And that's just what the hair companies do. And as I said before, this one looks like it's pretty true to length too. I will not be straightening this hair, but if I do, I will let you guys know if the curls reverted back. Matter of fact, I'll probably record a video for you to let you know if you can straighten this hair to see if it reverts back. But y'all, I can't wait. New hair, who this? Who is it? But nah, y'all, so I just want to come and show y'all what I'm about to do, and wanted to give y'all, you know, a review on me opening up the package, because I know a lot of AliExpress vendors, they don't send their stuff cute anymore. Like, they don't, heck, you barely get the name of the company that you purchased from. But Beauty Forever Hair is one that is nice, and they give you your box and stuff. So even if you don't use all your bundles, you can put them back in the box or something, and not, you know, and know where your hair actually came from, versus just having hair. Like me, I make wigs. I be having hair all over the place. So it's like, I don't know what hair is what when I'm making wigs. So it's like, shout out to Beauty Forever. I could put it back in the box if I'm not using it or whatever. Okay? Okay. As Cardi would say. But yeah, y'all. So I just wanted to come and I just wanted to show y'all these bundles. And I will be doing, like I said, I will be coming back to y'all with the I'll try to do a 1 month update so y'all can know what's going on with this hair. I am actually about to get started right now on bleaching these bundles. Bleaching these bundles? Not bleaching my bundles. Bleaching that frontal and tinting the lace, because I am excited for this hair, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. I am ready. Ready for some curly hair. Okay? So I will see you guys when I come back with my 1 month update. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask it in the comments or whatever. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that bell so you can get a notification when I post new videos, y'all. Thank you for watching. Bye.